Welcome. In this video, you'll learn what Python functions are, why they are important, and how to create your own. By the end, you'll be able to write reusable code like a real programmer. So, what exactly is a function in Python? Think of a function as a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. Instead of writing the same code over and over again, you can place it inside a function and call it whenever you need it. This makes your programs cleaner, easier to read, and much easier to maintain. Imagine you need to greet 10 different users. Rather than writing the greeting 10 times, you create one function that handles the greeting, and then simply call it with different names. It's like saving a phone number in your contacts. Instead of memorizing the entire number every time, you just tap the contact name. In the same way, a function lets you reuse code with a single call. Functions are one of the most important concepts in Python because they help you write organized, efficient, and reusable programs. As your projects grow, functions become essential for keeping your code simple and manageable. The first Python function, print. Let's start with the first Python function you'll ever use, print. The print function displays information on the screen. Whatever you put inside the parentheses appears as output. It's one of the most important functions because it lets you see what your program is doing. Now let's move on to the def function. Now let's create our own function. In Python, we use the def keyword to define a function. Here, we are creating a function called greet that accepts one piece of information called name. Inside the function, we print a personalized greeting. But notice something important, the function doesn't run when it's created. It only runs when we call it by writing its name followed by parentheses and providing a value. Next, let's see how functions can return values instead of just printing them. Functions can also give information back to your program using the return keyword. Instead of just displaying a message, a function can calculate something and send the result back so we can store it or use it later. Next, we'll learn how functions can have default values, making them even more flexible. Python functions can have default values for parameters. This means if we don't provide a value when calling the function, Python will automatically use the default value we set. Next, we'll learn about built-in functions. Python comes with many built-in functions that are already created for us. These functions help us perform common tasks without writing everything from scratch. Examples include len, to count items, max, to find the largest value, and type, to check the data type. Before finishing, let's look at some common mistakes beginners make when using functions. These include forgetting to call a function, using the wrong indentation, forgetting required arguments, and confusing printing with returning values. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.